Hey everyone, thanks for joining us on another great home tour. We're in the northwest part of Las Vegas. Got a great house with you. Of course, my name is Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Please leave comments. Tell us what you like, what you don't like. We'll get back to you. So let's chat a little bit about this house. It was built in 2019. It's just a tad over 3,000 square feet. It's got solar panels on the roof, which will be paid off, 3-car garage. It's got 3 bedrooms plus an additional bonus room. And let's go ahead and get inside and take a look, shall we? Of course, we've got my friend Quay again. This is Quay's listing. Thanks so much for letting us tour the home. So I noticed we came right into the entryway, and I just want to kind of highlight, I love what they did with these light fixtures. Kind of got the old-fashioned looking light bulbs. I like the gold framing on it. So I just thought I'd highlight that. And then also I see there's a lot of blue accent, and so the doors have been painted blue. There's a blue accent wall over here. That's super cool. And while we're over here, Quay, let's just check out these 2 secondary bedrooms. Shall we?
Yeah.
So these rooms look pretty nice. I think these are 11-foot ceilings in here. So a lot of room. We've got 2 windows in here, so you get a lot of natural light coming into the room. That's super important. And yeah, it's just plenty big room. And then we're gonna we'll hit that bathroom right there real quick. So I do like it's kind of cool right here. You got the little hangers right here. Kind of makes it look like a mudroom, or
Yeah, and there's enough space where you can add. You can build that out and add some space there, some storage if you want to.
and here's the shared bathroom for them. Quartz countertop, 2 sinks, undermount. It's got your standard shub tower combo in there. I do like how they put these kind of retro. Reminds me of like the industrial age, like pipe fitting. You know, towel hanger, little wash towels and stuff like that.
Towel racks.
Towel racks, there we go. Right, here's the other bedroom. Looks a lot like that other first bedroom we were in. It only has 1 window in it, but that's okay. We're not gonna hold it against it. Got skip trowel for the finish on these walls right here. So I like that a lot. Cool looking little entryway. Got a little coat closet right there. I believe that's also the smart closet, as I can see some jacks up top there. I do like what they did in this house. Like this bathroom, I think the washroom for, you know, when the guests come in and all that. Like, I like how it's got the freestanding sink. I like the freestanding mirror instead of like your traditional sheet mirror. The little lights on top. And then of course it's just the bathroom right there. So toilet, excuse me. Laundry room. I got a little plaid on the back wall, a little wallpaper. Got a sink, so that's good. We get a lot of rain out here in Nevada. A lot of muddy shoes all the time. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Take a peek in the garage real quick. Standard 3-car garage. Got some storage overhead there. Got some storage racks on the wall. Soft water, hot water heater. Yep. Looks like most 3-car garages in Nevada here. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Thank you, ma'am. All right, so we got some cute little dogs here. So I always like to say hello to the pooches. Hey, pooches. So they're gonna be chill. I don't think they're gonna say anything to us. But all right, so I noticed we have like 1 major great room, which I like. It just is a great way a lot of people like to entertain, have friends and family over nowadays. Got a nice big ceiling fan. I do recognize that. I'm pretty sure I know where that fan was purchased at because we have the same one in our house. I do like over here this wall right here. They made a little accent wall out of it, just adding a little bit of, my gosh, a little wood boarding siding, excuse me, to it. Sometimes I forget what I'm gonna say and don't quite say it. I think we have a 16-foot center island here. That's quartz, so it's man-made stone. Got a little bi-level thing there, pretty cool. Works well with all these cabinets. Got a nice big back counter right here. Now, when they did build this house, they upgraded it to 2 ovens. So you have 1 oven right here on the 5-burner gas cooktop with the hood, the big pantry, and then right there we have a microwave on top and an oven down below. And kind of here's the view here. You got this big sink. It's got a nice stainless steel apron on the front, and your dishwasher. Couple pendant lights hanging down. There's a pendant jack right there if you wanted to put a 3rd one down. And you'll see we have lots of can lights in the ceiling, so that's super important. Got to have a lot of light accessible in the house. And we got a lot of windows over here too. So now, Quay, I know we were going to highlight something about this fridge because it's conveying with the sale of this house.
It is.
So what are we highlighting about it?
The water is here. There is
Right
water
there.
here.
So the filtration's inside the fridge. So
It is, and there's
Super
also
cool.
reverse osmosis on the countertop. And
there.
the ovens are also air fryers, and they're Bluetooth.
oh, that's super cool.
So you can program your oven when you're out of the house.
Very nice, very nice. Now we're going to save the backyard for last with the pool. And if you guys want to see the little dogs. What is it, like little long-haired Dachshunds, I think, or something?
Yeah, that's Cheech and Chong.
Cheech and Chong. I like Dachshunds.
That's not really their names.
Oh, that's all right. Dachshunds are cool dogs. We are tiled all throughout, carpet in the bedrooms only. Now this right here is not a bedroom. This would be an office, although it can be as a fourth bedroom as it is right now. Just is missing a closet to be officially classified as a bedroom. But it's got a nice big window. And then down this short little hallway here we have the primary, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's head in and check it out.
Nice storage here.
Yep, got a little extra storage right here. Next to a little console table.
Nice open room. Lots of light, natural light.
Really big.
Yeah.
Like this is a really big, like 18 by like 14 or something like that. So you got a treadmill over there. It's a Peloton treadmill. We've actually been talking about one. So if anyone in here has the Peloton treadmill, please let me know what you think about it. So we've been talking about getting one and love to hear your thoughts on it. All right, so we have the primary bathroom. We've got we got a long countertop area. We have a little vanity in the middle. Whole lot of mirror action, tons of mirror action. A big walk-in shower that is glassed all the way up to the ceiling. Walk in it from the side over here. So you got your little dry off area if you're dripping a little wet. You got a little window there, but your privacy because your shower is down this way with two heads. And you got the little bench over there in the corner. And bathroom to our left. And a big walk-in closet. Really big walk-in closet. You can so big it actually acts as the home office too. So that's really big. Big closet.
It is.
All right, Quay, I think the only thing we have left to see is the backyard. Shall we head out there?
We shall.
All right, let's do it.
Do you need me to get the door for you?
I did unlock it already, so.
Okay. Just checking.
But what here, let's do this. So that's a slider. It's a three-pane slider. So do you want to slide it open?
Sure.
So in Las Vegas, we have great, weather about 8-9 months of the year. So what better way to enjoy it than to have a wall that kind of moves out of the way, and you have some great indoor-outdoor living. So.
And as a Florida girl, we get the sun without the same amount of bugs, which is what we like.
That's right. No bugs out here. So got a nice covered patio. It's got 2 lights on it. It's got a jack for a ceiling fan if you like. Got a pool. Now this pool is 8 feet deep. So I don't know that I would say do any headers or diving into the pool, but at 8 feet deep, you can do some good cannonballs and not worry about, running at the bottom there. We got stonework. I believe this is travertine bordering the pool. Got a nice little shallow, not beach, but a little shallow area over here. You can see there's a little mount there for a pool umbrella. And then here we have the rest of the backyard. Got a little fire pit. This is a gas fire pit. Pool equipment's over there.
I believe it's hosed for gas bib too.
What's that?
It's gas bib out here somewhere.
Yeah. And then
For
I think I
barbecue.
did mention earlier solar panels on top, so not any power bills. So I think that about does it. Thank you all so much for joining us today. Thank you so much, Quay, for allowing us into another one of your listings. If you guys have any questions for Quay, I'll put her contact information below. If you'd like to chat with me, that's my cell number, my email popping across the screen. If you want to set up your own home search or see what your home of value is worth right now, hop on our website. It's right there. Please subscribe, comment, join us on the next one, and you all have a great day.